Hello, beer enthusiasts. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Kegerators. If you're a beer lover who enjoys a fresh cold draft beer, then you've come to the right place. Today we're going to delve into the world of Kegerators, helping you understand what they are, why you might need one, and how to choose the best one for your needs. So, what exactly is a kegerator? Well, in simple terms, a kegerator is a refrigerator designed specifically to store and dispense kegs. They keep your beer at the perfect temperature, ensuring that every pour is as fresh and delicious as possible. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need a kegerator? Can't I just buy bottled or canned beer? Well, while bottled and canned beer is great, nothing beats the taste of fresh draft beer. Plus, kegerators are more environmentally friendly as they reduce the need for bottles and cans. They're also cost-effective in the long run, especially if you're a frequent beer drinker. So, now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some of the best kegerators on the market. First up, we have the EdgeStar KC2000. This is a fantastic entry-level kegerator that offers great value for money. It's compact, making it perfect for those with limited space. Despite its size, it can hold U.S. standard quarter and half kegs. The EdgeStar KC2000 is equipped with a high-quality draft tower and a robust CO2 regulator, ensuring that your beer is always dispensed at the right pressure. Its sleek black exterior makes it a stylish addition to any home bar or kitchen. Next, we have the Kegco K309SS-2. This is a dual-tap kegerator, meaning it can serve two different beers at once. It's perfect for those who like variety or often host parties. The Kegco K309SS-2 is equipped with a digital temperature control, allowing you to adjust the temperature to your liking easily. This feature ensures that each type of beer is served at its optimal temperature. It also has a spacious interior that can accommodate full-size kegs, and its stainless steel finish gives it a modern, professional look. For those who want a kegerator that's a bit more high-end, the Marvel ML24BSS2RB is a fantastic choice. It's a bit pricier, but it offers superior performance and durability. The Marvel ML24BSS2RB features dynamic cooling technology that ensures rapid cooldown and the industry's best temperature stability. This means your beer will always be at the perfect temperature, no matter how often you open the kegerator. It also has a close door assist system that gently and automatically closes the door, ensuring your beer stays cool and fresh. If you're a home brewer, the EdgeStar KC3000 is a great option. It's designed to accommodate oversized homebrew kegs, making it perfect for those who brew their own beer. The EdgeStar KC3000 features a deep chill mode that can quickly cool down a warm beer keg, ensuring your homebrew is always served at the perfect temperature. It also has a digital display that allows you to easily monitor and adjust the temperature. Lastly, for outdoor enthusiasts, the Bull Outdoor Products 11001 is a fantastic choice. It's a stainless steel kegerator that's designed to withstand outdoor conditions. The Bull Outdoor Products 11001 is perfect for outdoor kitchens or patios. It features a door lock and key, ensuring your beer is always secure. Its exterior is made from 304 stainless steel, making it resistant to rust and other weather-related damage. It also has a digital temperature control for easy temperature adjustments. Choosing the right kegerator depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors like the size of the kegerator, the number of taps, the types of kegs it can accommodate, and its temperature control capabilities. Also, consider your budget and the kegerator's overall quality and durability. Remember, a kegerator is an investment. It's not just about buying a refrigerator for your beer, it's about enhancing your beer drinking experience. So take your time, do your research, and choose a kegerator that will serve you well for years to come. That's all for today's guide on kegerators. We hope you found this information helpful. Whether you're a casual beer drinker or a homebrewing enthusiast, a kegerator can significantly enhance your beer drinking experience. So why wait? Start exploring the world of kegerators today.